Hot Wheels might be small, but they got big balls. Welcome back to the channel, man. And I've got another dumb video for you because, you know, I like finding these dumb things in the store and doing videos on them because why not, right? Why not? I know you always got to be curious when you see these like little rinky-dink Hot Wheels things just like laying around. You're like, I wonder what's in it. I don't want to buy it because I don't want to waste my money. So, you know, I'll waste the money for you. So let's check it out, man. It's called Hot Wheels 4 to Collect. Those are 4 cars, I guess. We're going to open one up and see what we get here. I'm not really quite sure how this mini model clay, it's a clay set. Okay. All right, guys, we're ready to crack this thing open, man. Let's take a better look at what is inside this clay toy thingy. Okay, let's just call it a thingy because I don't understand the clay part of it, but I don't know. Here, look, maybe I should keep the instructions. All right. Oh, interesting. Okay, I see now what they're talking about. You have the mold right here. So there. Now we have 2 things of clay, Play-Doh, essentially. We have it in red and we have it in black. So this is the little stickers for you to put on your car when you're done, right there. So kind of cheesy kind of thing, but let's do the red. Let's do the red. Oh, let's do the black. Let's do the black. I don't know. Maybe, let's do the red. Do the red. In case we had to put the tires on it, just whatever. There are tires in here. Just kind of it's a sticker. All right. So don't eat it. It smells like Play-Doh, obviously. So we're gonna put that in there, kind of in the middle here, kind of nice and even. Now, I'm not sure how this is supposed to go, but I feel like this isn't going to push all the way down here. Look, watch. I don't think that's made a car here. Not yet. So are we supposed to put both together? You know what? Let's put them both together. No, we don't need no instructions here. We're men, right? Here, let's just, I don't know if I'm supposed to like, you know what? Maybe I'm supposed to do this. Hold on a second. Hold on. Okay, let's think about this. Let's move slowly here. And let's be a little bit more creative than we can here. Let's take it. Let's make a black base. Okay, we're gonna make a black base here. All right. So there we go. Put this in here like this. It's kind of fun actually. I haven't played with Play-Doh in ages, man. So let's see. Like I said, our goal is to make a black base with some black wheels and black windows. Okay, that's what we're gonna try to attempt here in this little mold that they have given us. And all right. That looks okay there, I think. Nice and flat. Maybe a little bit more there. Okay, there we go. There's our base. Nice and flat, okay? So, and then I see we have the wheels right here. So we're gonna put some for the wheels. And then I'm gonna put some for the top right there too. So we're gonna put a little bit of red up on this top roof for the roof area here. Now let's see how this goes here. All right, a little bit more here. All right. We are creating, guys. We're doing the Hot Wheels thing, man. We're doing the thing. All right, that's probably too much on the top there because I see the windshield. Okay, let's do this. Okay, and the back here, I think we're gonna keep that like that. So, all right. So what we've done is we added just a little bit in here, and we're gonna keep something for the windshield. The black windshield is gonna go right here, and we're gonna make a like a little snake here. There we go, and we're gonna wrap this around for the window here. All right, maybe we need a little bit more longer. There we go. All right, and we're gonna just put this around like this. All right, nice, worked out a little bit better than I thought. Right there. So then we're gonna spread it out a little bit to you know, make it look like the windows there. There we go. Okay, all right. So now let's do the wheels here. So we know we need to do that. So let's put some right here. Like I said, we're not expecting perfection, but you know, we're going to be a little bit more creative than maybe what we need to be. But you know, I'm not a child, so maybe I can be a little bit more creative with this, to be a little bit more professional looking. But who knows? You know, it might just come out like a pile of dookie. So, all right. All right. I'm liking that. There, it's our full wheels. Maybe something got a little bit more here than there, but it's okay. It's okay. It's our four wheels. All right. So now we're gonna load this up with just the all red here, and we're just gonna put this in here. Yeah. Let's just put it in. Whoops. We're not just gonna put it in because it's doing some weird stuff here. It's clinging to the other black. Here, let me put some more black in for that wheel here. Seems a little thin. All right, so I know that we need to stretch this out just a hair here. So let's kind of elongate this a little bit, make it towards like the shape of the vehicle right there, so we can form it a little bit better here. Let me just, here, I'm gonna put a little bit for the engine here too. The engine will be black. So put that down there, right there, inside there. Hold on a second, I need to fix the windshield because I just scraped that up. Now it's gonna start getting all complicated because we're trying to be all intricate with this thing, and of course, you know, I'm gonna end up butchering this thing here. All right, here we go. Motor is there. All right, so now we're gonna put this in just like that, and then we're going to stretch this to kind of fill up the mold here. So you have to use both colors to fill up the mold. I'm just telling you. That's why they have the two clays in there. So it's made for you to be, you know, a little intricate with it, just like I'm doing with the wheels and the hood and the windows or the motor and stuff. So, all right. There. And I have added that to it now. Right there. So now we have our black base. We have our car. And now we could essentially squish this together. This to form our car here. So now I don't know how good this is going to form, guys, but you know, we're playing around with this here. Like I said, black base, black wheels, black windshield, black motor, and you guys ready for the results? Are you ready? All right, there we go. You can even see it's quasi okay. Quasi, man. All right, here we go. Moment of truth. Oh, boy. Oh, man. I think it's just going to come. Ooh. There we go. All right. We're getting it. We're popping it out of the mold. There it is. Look. I have made a car. Like the windshield, the motor. I have some slack on the side here. I'll just kind of push that in and put it. But I'm liking what the Rock is cooking. Look at that. Not bad, huh? Not bad. Okay. But we're not done yet. We're not done yet. So we need to do a couple more things. Let's make these wheels look more like wheels here. Okay. All right. And same thing on this side, because we're going to put the stickers on there. And then we're going to complete our, look at that, Supra. GR Supra, baby. That's what I'm making over here. Liberty Walk. All right. Stickers. Let's. Oh, okay. Shit. They tell you, they put the black on the bottom. But you know what? I'm making mine a little bit better, I think. Oh, yeah, that's just me here. All right, which ones? These are the front wheels. Okay. All right, one. They got the stupid red on here. I need to well, whatever. You know, this is just a little demo here for you. But it's kind of cool. There. And at the back, twins 5 spokes. Put those right there. All right. The other. Oops. One second. I got to get this off the thing here. It's, there it is. Twin 5 spoke. Right, and then it looks like we have some racing stripes with a front windshield here. Or I think this goes like that. So I guess I actually didn't have to make the windshield, but it's okay. All right, and then the motor. All right, so. And it says number 53. So we're going to put that right here. Maybe it goes like that. I think it goes like that. All right. There we go. Got some other ones. I think these go on the side here. So let's put these on the side. I'm going to say that this goes like this. All right. Maybe it doesn't go on that side. Let's try the other side. Maybe that side. Who knows? All right. Somebody knows, just not me. Of course, I'm not one to follow instructions very well, because usually instructions that people give are not correct. So, all right, what's at the back top here? Okay. Oh, it told me right and left side. I didn't read, guys. Sorry, man. I'm illiterate, but it's okay. This goes like. Man, how does this go? It's supposed to match up with that. Oh, that's the back window. That's what that is. There we go. All right, guys, the final product. There it is. There she blows. So, yep. A little something. But that's kind of cool, man. That's what's in this little thing right here. It is the Hot Wheels clay pack. So I obviously got the red one, but they make a green one, a black and gold, and it looks like a white one here. So we got the red and black, but this is what it looks like when it is done. So that is pretty cool. Not bad. I think I did a pretty good job with the windows and the wheels. Almost looks like some fender flares, but yeah. I'm going to call that one a GR Supra. whatever. But yeah, that's cool, man. It's cool. All right, guys, if you like that, man, you like these cool little, you know, knickknacks that Hot Wheels does here, you know, the big balls. So go ahead and subscribe, guys. And, you know, if you like it, you know, drop a comment or something, man. I'm just over here just chilling, just doing whatever. But thanks for watching, guys, as always, man. Until next time.